In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an AI image from a picture using Leonardo AI. Whether you're looking to experiment with AI art or need a creative boost, Leonardo AI can help you transform a simple image into something truly unique. Let's dive into the process, step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Leonardo AI app. You can find it online by searching for Leonardo AI app or directly visiting their website, which is often the starting point for generating AI images, videos, and designs. Once you're on the website, look for the Sign In button on the homepage. This is usually located at the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login screen. On the login page, select the Google option to sign into your account conveniently, which helps streamline the login process by using your existing credentials, making it quicker and more secure. Click on your Google account to finalize the sign-in process. After logging in, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. Now locate and click on the Image section. This is an important step because it directs you to the area where you can start working with images. Once there, look for the Image Guidance button. This feature is essential as it allows you to adjust specific parameters for the AI to follow when generating your new image. Clicking on it will bring up additional options. Next, you'll see an option called Image Reference, which is a crucial tool for using your own pictures as a base for AI generation. Click on it and you'll be prompted to upload and select the image you want to transform. Choose an image that you feel has the potential to be elevated with a splash of AI creativity. After selecting your image, don't forget to click on Confirm. This step is vital to ensure that your selected image is correctly uploaded and ready for the next steps. Now it's time to get creative. In the prompt section, type in the idea or theme you have in mind for your image. This is where you get to guide the AI. Think about elements like style, mood, or any specifics you want the AI to incorporate. Take your time to craft a prompt that is both clear and imaginative, as this will greatly influence the final output. Finally, once you're satisfied with the prompt, click on Generate. This is where the magic happens. Leonardo AI will process your image and prompt using its advanced algorithms to create a stunning piece of AI art. Sit back and watch as your picture is transformed into something extraordinary that reflects your creative vision. And that's it. You've successfully generated an AI image from a picture using Leonardo AI. Feel free to experiment with different prompts and images to explore the exciting possibilities that AI offers.